to Style Skating. Today, at the request of my subscriber, we're going to work on forward outside 3 turn and try to figure out how to stay on a backward and side edge after the 3 turn without falling off your skating leg. So we're going to start from this forward outside 3 turn and see what's wrong with that one. So as you see, she already skating off her hip, and then she did not rotate enough into 3 turn to make sure that she complete that 3 turn and turn her hips all the way back. So that was the other direction, which looks a little bit better. Let's see what the difference is. So she rotated her upper body a little bit more, but she's still off her hip. But after 3 turn, she turned her hips more to line up with your skating leg. So if you only turn your foot and not your hips into 3 turn, you're going to fall off your skating leg. So this is exercise we're going to do to check your position on the top of the 3 turn. So you glide on the forward outside edge, rotate your upper body, and on the top of the 3 turn, you have to have square position. So your shoulders and hips need to be square, and then you twist in opposite direction with your shoulders and hips after that top of the 3 turn. So it's counter twist. This is another exercise to help you to understand that exit from the 3 turn. So we draw half of the number 3. That's the second part of your 3 turn. I'm trying to do that hook with backward and side edge. So just on one foot, shoulders going one way, hips going other way. That will help you to work on counter twist and check your position after 3 turn. So another exercise, we just start from 2 feet and try to work on leaning with your body inside circle that you can get over that skating leg with your shoulders and skating hip. And then after 2 foot glide, we're going to do turn and pick up your free leg. Exercise, we're going to stay next to the wall and try to draw number 3, gliding on 1 foot, going down, up, down. Remember that on forward 3 turns, you have to rock from the heel to the front of your foot during 3 turn. This is good exercise for checking your shoulders and hips. And now we're going to go back to the 3 turn and see if all these exercises help us to get more stable. You see she's going to push, going through with her arms, twist her upper body, and then check after 3 turn. So the next we're going to show you some positions which not very good when you're going out of the 3 turn. Here your free leg is way behind, so it's make you fall inside circle. And on this one we show how you can open your hip so much that again you're not going to get stable with that glide. So this is the proper way to glide on backward and side edge with your free leg extend, and it's going in the same direction with your skating leg. Kind of draw that circle, and now the whole 3 turn with your free leg extend, and this is slow motion. So push, bend your knee and ankle, rotate, and then draw that 3 turn in and out. We still have stuff to work on and a lot of mistakes to fix, but this is the start. Thank you for watching.